Young fish. It's a beautiful day. Would you like to sit and wait for the sun to rise up? Or just ride along to the beach and just capture the moments? Watch the rat run to the beach. Watch the cans get picked up by a machine that does it all day long. Combing the beach and getting it ready. Down for some food. On some rides. Just a subway car away. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm out here at the boardwalk. Yeah, what a beautiful day. Sun's gonna be up in my eyes riding. It'll be the golden hour for you. Well, you know what I'm gonna go do? I'm gonna do the portrait mode. You want to see the portrait mode? Check out the next video.